Hey guys, Michael Holman here, the Atmos repair specialist. Today we're back with another quick and easy fix on a problem that happens pretty frequently when your press down tab comes loose on the front glass panel on either the 528 model or the 540 model, as well as a 560 and some of the newer ones as well. Happens frequently, super easy to deal with. First of all, you want to figure out where the tab went. And if this camera will pick it up, I'm not sure, but you can see typically where it was positioned. There'll be a mark, a clean spot surrounded by the dust where the tab was, a little bit of residue from the glue, or if it's clean and you can't tell at all, you can take the panel, put it in the clock, and line it up and figure out right where that tab goes. That's a little better focus now. I can see the residue there where it was glued. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, so the 540 has just a nice square, easy one. 528 has kind of an angle and a bevel on one side, so you want to look at that and make sure you get that angulation correct with your tab and line that up so you're making sure it makes a good tight fit and adheres properly for you. So it's a rather simple fix. We just take our tab, and if there's a bunch of residue and glue and you know, a high spot or an uneven spot, you can take whatever you have and scrape that down. Just kind of, you know, knock that off. A little bit of leftover glue here, adhesive hanging in there. Clean that off. All right. Then take your super glue, and I recommend super glue, something that dries very quickly, as you know, opposed to Gorilla Glue or something else that takes longer. And we will puncture this and get it ready to roll. Okay, now it might come squeezing out of there from the pressure and whatnot. So we'll try to do that over my catch tray here. And if it's a little tight, doesn't want to break loose, you can take a set of pliers, maybe 2 sets. There you go. Okay, and we'll come over to the tab and we'll put our glue on that. And not a ton. The less overflow you get, the better. Just drop here, drop there, and then on each vertical side here. All right, close this back up. Okay. Now, looking at our panel, we'll find out where that goes. And the lighting and camera don't want to cooperate, but you'll have to trust me that I'm putting it in the right position here. Okay. Press down, tight, make sure it all gets nice and flush and tight. And then again, we can always go over to the clock itself carefully, not getting glue all over everything. Make sure we got it lined up. And we do. And that's pretty much it. Easy one. I like to let them dry upside down like this, so the weight is getting pressed down on the tab itself to help it dry straight. And I just let it sit like that. Go do something else, come back half hour, hour, whatever, and then you can take your straight edge razor and go and scrape off any extra glue that may have squeezed out of the tab on the sides of the glass. and or if you happen to touch some location with glue, scrape that down. And that's it. Very easy, quick fix. And yeah, please like, share, and subscribe. Especially subscribe. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers, and if we could get up to about 1,500, I think I can do a giveaway. I have a really cool gift that would make an awesome